Hey, Rachel and Ngom here. I'm a Pinterest and lead generation strategist, and today we're talking about how to find the money to invest in your business. And don't mind me, I'm actually sitting in bed today. It's a comfy day, and I got my nails done. It's a happy Thursday. So, a lot of times, people that I've seen say, "I really want to do X, Y, and Z." Maybe it's a course or work with a coach or whatever, but I can't afford it. And so, first, I'm going to tell you some of the things you can do to actually make the money. But if you're telling yourself that you can't afford it, I'm telling you that you have to have a mindset shift. And we'll do another infinite growth challenge over the summer. But one of the biggest things, if you're telling yourself you can't afford it, you have that story in your head and you're never going to be able to afford it and nothing's going to change. So I want you to flip the switch and ask yourself, how can I afford it? And then your brain's going to come up with all these other ways and all these different things that I could do this, I could do this. And so just know, Tony Robbins says it's never a lack of resources that keeps someone stuck. It's a lack of resourcefulness. So if you're resourceful, you're going to figure it out and you're going to make a way to make it happen. I did not have money to invest in my business when I started, but I knew I needed to have a coach and I needed to do training because it's a business. Like, you can't expect it to grow if you don't invest into it. As have basically all my mentors. They didn't go to school, or things like that, but they found a way to make it happen. So hi Tara, today I'll just give you some cool ideas that you could find the money to invest in your business. So one thing that they can do is garage sale flipping, or have a garage sale, or post things. What I did when I wanted to do just move and get comfortable. When I wanted to do an online course and it was freaking expensive for me at the time, it was like $450 a month, 6-month commitment. We could not afford it. We did not have that extra cash saved up. We were on food stamps, had negative $400 in our checking account, but I knew if I wanted something different, I had to do something different. So what I did was I sold everything in our house that we possibly could, that we didn't it wasn't essential. So literally all of our bedroom furniture, except for our bed, our TV, our Xbox, our dining room table. My husband was like, "Don't sell the kid." But I was like, I sold everything on Facebook groups, and that gave me the money to put back into my business. Gary Vaynerchuk has a video that you can find on YouTube. I would go find this immediately, on how to do garage sale flips. And so people are literally putting stuff up, like they're just trying to get rid of it on Craigslist, the free section, or at garage sales or something like that. Take some time to look at that stuff, and people are giving it away, grab it, and then you can resell it on eBay or something like that. And so by doing a garage sale flip, you can make literally a full-time income just from doing that alone. So I would check out Gary V's video. He's friggin' awesome. Next thing is pet sitting. So did you know that there are websites where you can actually watch people's dogs and make an extra $1,000 a month just from doing that? So my husband and I are like, if we're coming back to America, which we probably won't, long term, we'll see. This has been the debate of what we're going to do. But if we did, we're totally going to do pet sitting, because why not? It's an extra $1,000 a month that you can make. We already have dogs. What's an extra one or two? So there's websites where you can do stuff like that. You can wrap your car in an ad. So you can get a small ad on your car, or a big ad on your car for an extra $500 a month, which again, they might be little things, but it's gonna add up. And I'm not sure the exact website where you can do this, but if you go to follow Our Rich Journey on YouTube, they have a video with all these different side hustles that you can do in 2019. So I would go check them out. They're amazing. Just this really cool couple that's teaching all about finances, which I know a lot of us need. So check out Our Rich Journey on YouTube, and they'll give you some more ideas as well. I think they have the websites on pet sitting, wrapping your car. Another one that might seem crazy and out of the box, which it just depends on where you are and what you need to do, donate plasma. I've seen people do that too and make quite a bit of money, and it's actually pretty good for you to get blood out of your system. So that's an option. I've had people take out bank loans to work with me, and that might seem insane to some people, but to other people, it's a business. Like, you can't expect a business to grow if you don't invest in it. And so treat it like you would a brick and mortar or something like that. Like, you need the coaching, you need the skills to actually succeed. And if you're sick and tired of being where you're at, you'll figure out a way to make it happen. And that could be taking out a bank loan. So just to recap, those are just a few ways. If you have any more that you have found, comment below. I would love to know, because I know a lot of us, especially where I was, we needed to find the money to invest into our businesses. So I shared with you what I did, but I would love to know what you have done as well. So let's recap. Get resourceful. 1, garage sale flipping, Facebook buy sell groups or marketplace, pet sitting, wrap your car, donate plasma, bank loan. Any or all of the above could work. So I would love to know what you are doing. And I do have a free guide for you. Put it in the description of the video on how to create a freebie that converts. So just go to rachelandngom.com/blog freebie. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.